Today I'm at the Biloxi Manufactured Housing Show in Mississippi, and behind me is the Sky Harbor. What we're looking at here is a home that gets delivered in 4 sections. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it's brought to us by Regional Builders Group. It's a Champion Homes company. There is a lot to see here, so I'm going to take a quick tour around the front, then we'll head inside and check out the Sky Harbor. Let's do it. All right, lots to talk about here. Probably the best place to start though is how this home arrives on site. If you look on the sign over here, it says it's a 4-section home. So what we've got is one here, another one there, that's joining kind of the 2 halves together, and then the final 2 sections are right over here. We have got a covered porch on this with double fans. We've got pot lights built in, coming right from the factory, which is a nice bonus if you ask me. And if we go up a little bit, not sure if you can see it from this angle, but they've also got a metal roof. So if that's something you're looking for, look no further than the Sky Harbor. All right, let's go inside and see what this thing is all about. I've been waiting all day for this to clear out, because it's what you call a showstopper. All right, so as you enter in, you arrive in this massive kitchen living space. I'm gonna pan all the way around so everyone can get a good look at it. What we've got here on the left side is a bit of an entertainment center. They've got what appears to be a 50-inch electric fireplace there. They've got shiplap behind that for the decor, and we're going to see more of those wood accents that we saw on the porch outside, inside as well. So kind of a farmhouse decor on this one. Heading into the kitchen, the living room is wide open to the kitchen, and what they've got is windows on the front. They've got lots of cabinets in this thing. Have a look at this. Island in the middle. Let's start on one side, we'll work our way across. So you got kind of a bank of cabinets on this side. You've got the fridge here, the cabinet up above, and the freezer down below. We've got the wall oven here below the microwave. Another cabinet there. I missed this, but they've got a drawer on the bottom. Perfect place for pots and pans. Get that closed. Dishwasher is right here. Double sink with the storage down below. We've got a bank of 2 pots and pans drawers right here. All right. Then we've got the stove here with the nice big vent above that. Cabinet on either side, perfect for plates, glasses, those kind of things. And finally, another cabinet below and one more drawer. That's not including the island. Before I look at that though, right beside the kitchen is the laundry room. More storage in here. They've got the open shelving on this side, which looks great. And they've got the electric panel right there. Now, let's talk about this island. It's got a butcher block countertop, which is contrasting the white countertop, and I think looks good. Room for 2 bar stools, and of course, more storage. So 2 sets of cabinets on the bottom and 4 drawers going all the way across. I missed it, but they've got the barn door on here that slides. And from here, let's see where we headed to. Right off the kitchen space, there's a bathroom right here. Is it full? No, this is a half bathroom. A little bit of storage up above. They've got a vanity and a mirror. And then we are coming into, I believe this is bedroom 2. No, this is the main bedroom. So, got a queen bed in here with plenty of space on either side. They got the tray ceiling here with the ceiling fan, another barn door. That's going to take us into the ensuite. Whoa. They are not messing around with this ensuite. So you got the soaker tub over here, big window there. You got the walk-in shower straight on. You got the separated toilet over here with some storage up above, and something I have never seen before in a bathroom, a fridge in a bathroom, okay? This is kind of like a little coffee bar over here, which is, you know, why not? Of course, they'd have to have the walk-in closet with built-in storage. All right, so lots of place to store anything that you're looking to store. They've got a vanity over here with built-in cabinets on either side of the mirror and a sink, a little bit of a makeup station, I guess you could call it, a desk. I'm just going off the brushes. That seems to be what it's designed for. Heading back this way, another electric fireplace, this one in the bedroom. A little built-in entertainment center. How are you? Let's keep moving because there's still lots to see. So I'm going to go back through the living room. There's a barn door separating this section and little entertainment space, because watch this. By little entertainment space, what I really mean is movie theater. Have a look at that TV. It is taking up the entire wall. So if you like to watch sports, you like to watch movies, this is the place that you're going to do it. This heads out to a porch on the back. All right. And if you remember, this is a 3-bedroom, meaning we still have to find 2 more bedrooms. And I'm guessing that is right over here. So these weren't staged. Get your imaginations out and start using them. Beds, area rugs, maybe a chair, dresser, stuff like that. All right. You got the closet. Let's keep moving. I think we're still going to need 1 more bathroom. Okay, there's another bedroom here. So this actually might be a 4-bedroom. I was wrong. This is a 4-bedroom home. This is bathroom 2. You've got the bank of drawers there. You got the vanity with the mirror up above. You got more storage above the toilet and the tub shower combo over there. Here's the 3rd bedroom. Again, hasn't been staged, but that's okay. We get the idea. Closet right there. All in all, let me think back. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home with a movie theater. Let's call it, let's be honest, that is a gigantic screen. Very cool layout, something that I have not seen before. With a home this size, I think it's critically important that we check out the floor plan. So here it is. Again, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms in 2,214 square feet. As this home is much bigger than what I usually show on the channel, also important that we get into the pricing. The Sky Harbor starts at $250,000. If you need more time with the floor plan, feel free to pause it here, like the video, and subscribe because I'm moving on. There you have it, folks. The Sky Harbor from Regional Builders Group, a Champion Homes company. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a footprint over 2,000 square feet. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.